The investigative report was conducted by the Department of Interior's Inspector General. It found evidence of multiple violations of CNMI law and ethics rules in the sole source award of a nearly $400,000 contract to Integrated Professional Services, IPS. IPS is partly owned by former CNMI Commerce Secretary Michael Atta, who was responsible for overseeing the Commonwealth's ERA funding while in office. But Atta resigned last October and set up IPS, a private firm, which was then awarded the sole source service contract to manage the Commonwealth's $97 million in federal ERA funds. The sole source contract was authorized by CNMI Governor Benigno Fitial. The Department of Interior's Inspector General offered its findings to U.S. Attorney Alicia Limtiaco, who, according to the report, declined prosecution of this investigation. CNMI Congressman Sablan released a statement in which he said, "A report of this nature and the illegal activities of highly placed government officials it points to represents a setback in our effort and an embarrassment to us all." And the congressman asks, how can we expect more help to rebuild when the generous assistance that is coming to us through the Recovery Act is siphoned off for the personal gain of a few individuals, as the Inspector General reports? Amongst the details reported by the Inspector General are that the sole source contract with IPS may have violated CNMI procurement and supply regulations, and the evidence suggests that the contract with IPS violated multiple CNMI ethics rules, including post-employment restrictions, use of office staff or employees of a public office, restraint on use of public position to obtain private benefit, and negotiating for non-government employment. As for the failure of the U.S. Attorney to prosecute the case, Congressman Sablan states, "I am sure that I speak for many people in the Commonwealth when I say how deeply disappointed I am that the United States Department of Justice has declined to use the Inspector General's findings as the basis for prosecution of the public officials named in the report." Kevin Kerrigan, PNC News.